As much as 2 John was a warning to reject false missionaries, 3 John acts as an affirmation to receive true missionaries of the gospel. Specifically, 3 John is a very intimate letter from an apostle to a dear friend, encouraging him in his supports and efforts to further the gospel in his community. As 3 John stands to encourage guys, it also serves as encouragement to ask us, what does the gospel advancement look like for everyday people? John instructs 3 points for believers like you and me today to advance the gospel. And that leads to our first point today, that we are called to support those who labor for the gospel. We are called to support those who labor for the gospel. I want to acknowledge that we're all busy, overextended, probably stressed out. In our stress-inducing culture, we tend to get stuck in our own worlds and think that God should fit into our lives when it should be flipped the other way around. God created us to be born at exactly the right time to love Him and to love others. To do both involves being a part of missionary work for the advancement of the gospel. But what does it look like for each of us personally? Does that mean that each of us should quit our jobs, uproot our families, and move to another nation for missionary work? It might. We know that God calls people to the ends of the earth. So as Revelation 7 verse 9 describes it, a great multitude that no one could number, from every nation, from all tribes and peoples and languages, will hear the gospel, repent, believe,